Welcome to UN Autonomous College digital class. Today we are going to discuss about probability. Probability क्या है? That means the probability क्या है कि मैथमेटिक्स से एक ब्रांच है, ऑल्सो स्टैटिस्टिक्स का। दोस्तों, प्रोबेबिलिटी को हर कोई डरता है। आज हम इस प्रोबेबिलिटी को आपका फ्रेंड बनाकर छोड़ेंगे। तो प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है? सब दो दोस्त आपस में बातचीत करते हैं। एक दोस्त ने पूछा दूसरे को कि आज बारिश होगा क्या? दूसरे ने आंसर दिया 50-50, यानी कि 50% चांसेस फॉर बारिश। 50% का मतलब क्या होता है? 50/100, सो इट इज हाफ, 1/2, हाफ चांस। सो दिस हाफ चांस को हम बोलते हैं कि प्रोबेबिलिटी। सो प्रोबेबिलिटी का डेफिनेशन क्या हुआ? प्रोबेबिलिटी मैथमेटिक्स का एक ब्रांच है, ऑल्सो ब्रांच ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक्स which deals with the study of a statistical experiment, which deals with the study of a statistical experiment or random. So statistical experiment meaning क्या है? ना रैंडम। सो स्टैटिस्टिकल एक्सपेरिमेंट क्या है? एक हम कॉइन लेंगे। देखो, इस कॉइन को हम टॉस करेंगे तो हेड यानी कि टेल आएगा। सो हेड और टेल आएगा, सो इसको हम कहते हैं कि स्टैटिस्टिकल एक्सपेरिमेंट। स्टैटिस्टिकल एक्सपेरिमेंट का 3 कंडीशन होता है। इफ ए मैथमेटिकल एक्सपेरिमेंट satisfy 3 conditions, so called as statistical experiment. So what is the conditions are there? The first condition is that the outcomes are known in advance. Suppose we toss a coin, fair coin. Tossing a fair coin is the example of a statistical experiment. So it is tail or head. The 2 trials, head और टेल, आर नोन इन एडवांस। पहले से हमको मालूम है कि एक कॉइन टच करेंगे तो हेड और टेल आएंगे, सो इट इज नोन इन एडवांस। द सेकेंड कंडीशन इज दैट द रिजल्ट ऑफ द एक्सपेरिमेंट आर नॉट नोन इन एडवांस, व्हेन वी टॉस ए फेयर कॉइन, हेड और टेल दोनों के अंदर एक जरूर आएगा, मगर कौन आएगा उसको हमको मालूम नहीं। हेड और टेल, सो नॉट नोन इन एडवांस। इफ द बोथ 2 आर नोन इन एडवांस बट द रिजल्ट इज नॉट नोन इन एडवांस। इफ these 2 conditions, and the third condition is that the experiment can be repeated same ways, in the same ways, or identical condition can be repeated, identical conditions. That means when we toss a coin, so head or tail आएगा. If we coin 2 times, it's the same process, head or tail दोनों के अंदर एक ही आएगा. So when we toss a coin, so there are 2 outcomes. So in second time we repeat the tossing of coin, the same outcomes, head or tail. That means the experiment can be repeated in the same identical conditions. If an experiment satisfies these three conditions, so called as statistical experiment or random. Next हम probability की terminology ऊपर डिस्कस करेंगे. I am talk with you about the terminology of a probability. The first one is trial. Next हम डिस्कस करेंगे what is trial. Trial क्या है? When we touch the coin, head and tail are comes. So head is a trial. Head is a trial. Also tail is a trial. So these are called trial. Next, what is the outcomes? The possibilities of the experiment. All the possibilities of the experiment called as outcomes. But head is a trial, tail is a trial, but total the possibilities of the experiment called as outcomes. If we mathematically the outcomes are organized in a set manner, like suppose S stands for a head, T stands for a tail. If we make a set, the set called as sample space. What is sample space? Sample space is the set of all outcomes of a statistical experiment. So when we toss a fair coin, the sample space is head and tail. Next, discuss about event. Any subset of a sample space. Sample space generally symbol we represent S. S stands for sample space. Any subset of a sample space, called as event. If is a set and S is the set, any subset called as event. Any subset of a sample space called as event. Next, what is elementary event? What is elementary event? Any element of the sample space, any element, suppose head is a elementary event. What is tail? Tail is also elementary event. But head also called as tail, tail also called as tail. The elementary event means the element of the sample space. Each and every element of the sample space called as elementary event. Next, we discuss about probability of an event. So what is probability of an event? Suppose A is an event. If we take A is an event, then probability of the event is represented as PA. Probability of an event is written as P of A by PA and is defined as probability of A is equal to size of the event divided by size of a sample space. Size of event means the cardinality, the number of element present in that event divided by the number of element present in the sample space. Also, it is written as cardinality of A by cardinality of a sample space. This is called the probability of an event. Now, we discuss about types of event. There are so many types of events. First of all, we discuss about some important events. The first one is impossible event. So what is impossible event? If an event does not contain any element, so called as impossible event. That means the event cannot be contain no any element of the sample space, and it is represented by phi, represented by phi. So phi in the set called as empty set. Here the phi is called as impossible event. The probability of the impossible event p phi is equal to 0, because cardinality of a phi by cardinality of a sample space S, cardinality of phi is 0, so 0 by something is 0. So value of the p phi is 0. That means probability of an impossible event is always 0. Then we discuss about mutually exclusive event. Mutually exclusive events. Hello, what is mutually exclusive events? Suppose we take two events A and B, two events in a particular sample space S. If the intersection of A and B is equal to phi, then the two events are called as impossible event. That means there is no common elementary event or any common element of two events, then the events are called as mutually exclusive event. That means दोनों के अंदर कोई common element नहीं होगा, so called as mutually exclusive event. Then universal event. Now what is a universal event? In a statistical experiment, the total set of outcomes called as sample space. If we have taken S is the sample space, so S is also called as universal event. That means the whole sample space called as universal event. The probability of a sample space is equal to cardinality of S divided by cardinality of S. So it is 1. So maximum, therefore the maximum value of a probability, maximum value of probability is 1 and minimum value is 0. Impossible event, no any event is subset of the impossible event. So minimum value of a probability is 0 and maximum value of a probability is 1. So it is called universal event. Then complementary event. Suppose A is an event in a sample space S, then its complement is written as AC or A prime or A prime. So what is complementary event? If A is an event, then its complement called as complementary event. So complementary event A prime is equal to sample space difference the event A. This is the A dash or A prime called as complementary event. Next we talk about independent events. Suppose A and B are two events in a sample space S. We have taken the sample space is S and A and B are two events in the sample space S. If probability of A intersection B, is equal to probability of A into probability of B, then the events A and B are called as independent event. The main condition when the intersection of two events is equal to product of their probabilities, then the events A and B are called independent events. It is a mathematical condition. Next, discuss about conditional event. Hello, what is conditional event? If A and B are two events in a sample space S, if S is the sample space and A and B are two events in the sample space, then probability of A given as B or condition of a B. We have to find the probability of A. Subject to condition is B. That means A upon B. We have to find the probability of A, but condition is B, is equal to probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. Provided that the condition is, main condition is that probability of B must not be equal to 0. That means probability of B not equal to 0. Now what is conditional event? If A and B are two events in a sample space, then probability of an event with respect to another event, the subject to condition is B. So this probability of A upon B called as conditional probability. The conditional probability of P A upon B is equal to, mathematical formula is probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. In similar way, if we find probability of B subject to condition A or given A, probability of B conditional A is equal to probability of A intersection B, probability of A intersection B divided by probability of A, divided by probability of A. Subject to condition is probability of A not equal to 0. If probability of A is equal to 0, then the value does not exist. So probability of A must not be equal to 0. That means it is non-zero. Then the conditional event is exists.